Magilo
Palestinians died
karuna
while the wall was open.
temiche
And we are told
magilo
to stay quiet, to be neutral, to be peaceful.
mage
But how do you stay
ummata
peaceful
beduga
when babies are
mage
pulled from
bas
under the rubble
hus ve
with no
kos
head?
maveje
When mothers carry their
magilo
children
mati
in plastic bags
aliya
because
kora
there is nothing left to
manzar
bury.
take
Entire buildings
feli
collapse. Entire families erased.
ko
Their names
mundani
were turned.
Islam ne romundani firman dene atke ek din na ve karnage tikita munum fohe dene de atve irfus taka tuntak tere nevala mun edani iru kola gedorta fundu fundu eba
Palestine is under attack. Gaza, West Bank, Nablus, Hebron, Jenin, Jerusalem, every corner soaked in blood, every inch of land crying for justice. And yet, Palestinians stand. They bury their children and still believe in tomorrow. They cry out to the wall and are met with silence. But they do not give up because they have sabr. They have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu isbiru wa sabiru.
balawajibin wanito balahattagen titibani nalamanzare vimato hitakakete nuwane hitakum filadani mulibene hifundu fundu vegosni mije bikahaluga magumati vefa mayus vefa finkari vefa
And we will never, ever be silent.
naman
Because
kamu
if
roe
Palestine is
roe
bleeding, we
tibi
must be shouting.
gunhus
If
vefa
Palestine is bleeding, we must be marching. And if Palestine is dying, then